All right, you got that?
Yeah?
All right, let me go find a stick.
Welcome to Pink Caddy Garage. What's the job today, Dad?
Well, today we're going to replace the liftgate struts, also called supports, on this 2005 Chevy Tahoe, and hopefully get rid of this mop that's holding it up.
Oh, I'm gonna miss it. Let's go.
Just about every car built over the last few decades has things like the hoods and the tailgates are supported by these gas charge struts. And over time they lose their charge and they won't hold the thing up anymore, and it wants to fall down and hit you on the head, and that's when you start needing this mop. But fortunately, it's an easy job to change these out. Let us show you how.
The only tool you'll need is this small slot screwdriver. And for parts, you'll just need 2 new struts. Now, we don't get compensated by the company, but my dad picked this one out because he liked the word strong in it. So let's see how strong these struts really are.
So this strut's going to have an attachment point at the top and one here at the bottom, and they're both held on by a couple of little spring clips, which is what we're going to need the slot screwdriver to get behind there. There's a little natural spot that if Ashley was over here, you could see. So you want to get your screwdriver in there in that slot and just pop that little spring clip out.
Ta-da!
And then the same thing up top. So you can see right here the slots where you can stick your screwdriver and pop that clip out. At this point, this is ready to pop off. Now right before you take it off, it's a good idea to check your new strut and just hold it up to the old one and make sure that this black part, which is the charge part, is about the same length as the one that you're taking off, so you can be sure you got the right part. All right, this is a part where this is usually a 2-person job. We've got 2 people and a mop, so I feel pretty safe here. This is just going to pop off. Hold that up. Don't let it hit my phone. Just like that. So just show you right quick what you're going to be reinstalling onto is going to be a little ball fitting on the bottom and the same thing on the top. So the new strut is going to have an opening here that you are just going to press over that ball very firmly and you will feel it pop into place. So just do that top and bottom. All right, let's see if Ashley's got the hand strength to pop that on. And she does.
That's on, but if you'll notice that this is 180 degrees the wrong way, so all you'll do is just turn that around so that it lines up when you put it up.
So at this point, you're going to want to get your liftgate as high as it will go so you can line it up with the ball. And that is one. Now we'll do the other side right quick.
We didn't film replacing the second side because we figured no one's going to want to watch that. But for the record, it took us less than 60 seconds to take the old one off and put the new one on. So it's a really easy job. But I think now's a good time to test it. Once this tailgate is about halfway up, it should do the rest of the work all on its own and put this mop out of the job. So if you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe and don't let that tailgate hit you on the way out. Bye!